Imagine this, just 15 minutes every single day, and in a matter of weeks, your English will start flowing like a river, smooth, confident, unstoppable. No more hesitation. No more stumbling over words in front of your boss, your classmates, or even that cute stranger in the coffee shop. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick with me because today I'm going to show you a 15-minute daily English routine that will make your tongue fluent fast. And yes, it's scientifically designed, easy to follow, and you can start right now. But here's the catch. If you skip even a day, you're slowing down your progress. And the truth is, fluency waits for no one. You might be thinking, 15 minutes? That's it? And here's where most learners make a critical mistake. They underestimate small, consistent daily actions. Studies show that even 15 minutes a day of focused practice is far more effective than 2 hours once a week. Why? Because the brain thrives on consistency, not intensity. Your neurons literally rewire themselves faster when you feed them language daily. That's neuroplasticity in action. And let's be honest, who doesn't have 15 minutes? That's shorter than your coffee break. Unless, of course, you're someone who treats coffee like a full meal. So let's break down exactly what you should do during these 15 minutes to maximize fluency. And I promise it's simpler than memorizing 500 irregular verbs. Step 1 is shadowing. If you've never tried this, it's the secret weapon of polyglots and language hackers worldwide. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and speaking at the same time. Yes, it's intense. Yes, it feels awkward at first, but this is how your mouth learns the correct rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation naturally. Here's how you do it. Pick a 1 to 2 minute audio clip of a native speaker. Listen first, then play it again, but this time speak exactly with them. Don't pause, don't cheat. Your brain will automatically start syncing your mouth movements to the sounds of real English. After 3 minutes, your tongue will start remembering the patterns, even if your mind hasn't caught up yet. And here's the thing. After you master this, you'll sound like a native without even thinking about grammar. But we'll talk about the next trick that makes this 10 times faster in a moment. Next, it's time to really fire up your speaking muscles. Step 2 is speak out loud. Yes, alone. Yes, with intensity. Yes, you might feel ridiculous. But guess what? This is how confident speakers are made. Think of it as going to the gym for your tongue. Ever talk to your dog in English? No? Perfect. It's time to start. They're great listeners, no judgment. Pick a topic, anything. Describe your morning, your plans, your favorite movie. Speak for 2 full minutes. If you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes are the fuel of fluency. Your mouth needs practice, just like your hands needed when you learned to write. Now that your tongue is warmed up and your speaking muscles are flexing, let's move into the core of fluency, the part that separates average learners from those who truly shine. Step 3 is power phrases. Memorizing single words won't make you fluent. You need phrases that you can immediately use in conversation. Examples include, I totally understand what you mean. Could you explain that again? Or, I've never thought of it that way. Here's the key. Repeat these phrases out loud in your own context, over and over. This is not rote memorization. It's muscle memory for your tongue. You're training your mouth to produce natural English fast. And if you stick to this next step, your friends or maybe even your coworkers will start asking, "Wow, how did you get so fluent?" And you won't even have to tell them the secret. Step 4 is listening with a purpose. Pick a 1-minute audio or video clip, but don't just listen. Your job is to answer. Pretend someone asked you a question about the clip and respond in full sentences. This trains your brain to think in English, not just translate from your native language. Yes, it feels like talking to an imaginary friend, but trust me, this imaginary friend won't judge your accent. They only care about your fluency. This step is critical because fluency isn't just about saying words, it's about thinking in English, and thinking in English is what separates slow speakers from fast, confident speakers. The final 2 minutes are for reflection. Repeat what you learned today. Review the power phrases. Shadow the most challenging line from your listening practice. Reflect on your progress, even if it feels small. Small wins compound into massive fluency over time. And here's the secret to exponential progress: consistency. Missing a day is like dropping a brick in your wall of fluency. Every day you stick to this 15-minute routine, you're building a stronger, more confident, faster speaking you. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips to supercharge your 15-minute daily routine. Record yourself. Listening to your own voice helps identify mistakes you didn't notice. Speak before bed. Your brain consolidates memory while sleeping. Mix topics. Talk about movies, news, science. Keep it varied. Use apps for shadowing. Short audio clips are perfect for mobile practice. Celebrate small wins. Fluency is a marathon, not a sprint. Yes, celebrating a full sentence without counts. Go ahead, throw a mini dance party. Now, here's the truth. If you don't start today, someone else will. Someone else will take those opportunities at work, at school, at social events, and speak English confidently while you stay stuck. That fear you feel, that's not to scare you, it's a reminder. Every day counts, every word counts, and 15 minutes a day, that's all it takes to change your life. And once you master this 15-minute routine, you're ready for the next level. Practicing English alone without a partner, which can skyrocket your fluency even faster. So, here's your action plan. 15 minutes daily. Shadow, speak, repeat power phrases, listen and answer, reflect, build the habit. Your fluency is waiting, but only if you take action today. And if you're serious about taking your English to the next level, check out my video on Practice English Without a Partner. 6 powerful solo methods for fluency. Trust me, this is the missing link that will make your tongue unstoppable. Remember, fluency isn't about learning harder. It's about practicing smarter. Start your 15-minute routine today and watch your English transform before your eyes.